Miron has been providing pre-referendum services for the last 10 years. We thought this was a great value that we could provide to school districts, that not only can we build the building for you, but we can actually help you educate the community on this referendum and why that is needed. Miron has a lot of value to bring to a project because of our ability to really provide turnkey services. We're always looking for ways to do things better, and we're always looking at opportunities to improve what we can provide to them. Even from a graphic standpoint, we have a graphic designer on staff that actually can create the brochures and the pamphlets and the direct mail pieces. We have individuals like myself that can actually develop the timeline and conduct the public forums for them and put together the PowerPoints and basically take them through that process. We've had a lot of success in working with these districts and helping them understand what needs to be accomplished and ultimately passing the referendum. They have one person, one point of contact that they can go to that can really take them from start to finish. A lot of districts work through this process, and they aren't necessarily always going to get everything that they need in this referendum. It may have to be multiple referendums. It may be that they can address most of their issues, because if the referendum isn't successful, you don't have a building project. First phase is really to develop the building plan itself and establish some options and some things that the district can look at to potentially go to referendum with. Ultimately providing what we call them a GMP, which is a guaranteed maximum price. The districts like that because whatever they're out presenting to the community, they're ultimately going to be able to deliver. There's nothing better than the night of the referendum, and the committee gets together and they're watching those results come in, and they're waiting to see what's going to happen. Once the referendum passes and the building is built and you get into the dedication and you see those families come in with their kids and they start walking through those spaces, and to see the looks on their faces and their expressions and what they think of that space that they're going to be able to utilize for their kids and their grandkids, and in a space really that's going to be part of that community for the next 50 plus years. It really feels gratifying that you were able to accomplish that for that community.